Alright, welcome back, those of you who actually watch my videos. So as of yesterday, it is now 2021. I've decided to make a New Year's resolution, and that resolution is to sometime within the time frame of 2021 to become a YouTuber, whatever that means. Cross that bridge when I get there. So I've been trying to do YouTube for a little bit now because, I mean, as you guys know, I have a couple videos up and I've been wanting to do this, but I've had this problem and I've tried within the past 2 months to make videos on 2 or 3 different occasions. But my problem with that is I've been using this to edit. It's a Microsoft tablet and it is terrible for editing, especially since I'm trying to edit in 4K. This tablet just doesn't keep up, and as I'm trying to edit, it jumps a lot and it's impossible to edit on. So I've tried on 2 or 3 different occasions to make videos and given up because I just can't edit the videos. Which brings us to the topic of today's video. I am going to do something I've never done before. I have literally 0 experience with it. I'm going to try and build a computer. Oh, and by the way, I know I look probably quite a bit different from the last video you guys saw, but that's because I did No Shave November, which I try and do every year, and it turned into Don't Shave December, and now it's January. Trying to figure out if I should keep it or get rid of it. I kind of like it. This is the first time I've ever been able to grow any sort of beard, if that's what you can call that. Look at that. It's coming in. So let me know if I should keep it or get rid of it. But let's build a computer. So Carmen's gonna help me.
I'm so excited.
Have you ever built a computer before?
Yes, I have. Well, I haven't built one by myself, but I've helped somebody else make one.
Okay, so I have no experience, 0. And she has literally the minimal amount of experience that you could possibly have building a computer.
I mean, yeah.
Do I know anything about any of these parts? No. Do I know how to put them in? No.
No.
Well, I know that all of those have to go into that. So let's put them in there and see how it goes.
It's not that hard. We'll figure it out.
Is this the thing you take out?
Just know that it's glass, so make sure it doesn't fall straight forward.
It didn't break. So first thing we want is the power supply. I think that's the best thing to do first. Alright, so this is the motherboard, I believe. I feel like somebody much more qualified than me should be doing this. So I've currently gotten farther than I ever have building a computer before. We got the motherboard in. Every step of this will be the farthest I've ever gotten building a computer, so it's an easy joke to make. Oh man. Oh, that is fancy. do the RAM, I decided to get 32 gigabytes because video editing 4K requires it. It'll just make my life easier. The more RAM, the better. Something.
Is it a sticker?
I sure hope so. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't get stickers out of it.
Here, I'll hold on to that.
Yeah. You're in charge of the instructions.
I'm the only one reading the manuals.
Oh, that was nice.
Want to feel the place,
What you doing?
so I try not to like bring
It's time for wiring.
bring
So drink.
friends.
And it's our least favorite part.
And my
All right, let's do it. That reflection.
That was amazing.
And just like that, we've got a working computer. Now what?